What's up everybody, this is your girl STL Yamomo and you're in the mix with DJ Live.
You know how I get, homie. I'm too sharp for the good brother, too smooth for the rough gutters. Tryna be me, my whole life, but I get caught up with that whole life. Yeah, you know how they think it go, but I'm about to get it on tonight. Whole spot with me. You see it, if you see me, man, it's the same. Unashamed, no, we ain't changed. Okay, your boy might be a little different. Go hard, like concrete. Hold up, when you tell me, man, I be out in these streets, yeah. Get it poppin' quick, rap. That's the feeling, jumping out the whip. Jumped out the whip. We ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us. Make you feel it, they all in the feelings. Get it, tell them all that get it. Make you feel it, and it's all alright. Make you get it, yeah. Jumped out the whip. I jumped out the whip. Jumped out the whip.
DJ
Look at me, I'm all the way turned up. I ain't smoking, but my homie in here burnt up. Yeah, I'm working on, but he's straight though. Couple girls tryna twerk it on me, wait. No, hold up. Oh, you even roll up. I'm in here with my lady. Can't you see me, man? I'm sold up. Man, I'm in here trying to celebrate a birthday. And you know I'm good on when it's a work day. No matter, we still gon' kick it. And we ain't getting trippy. No Molly in Mississippi. Ain't fighting nobody, ain't nobody said tripping. And Southeast Dago in the building. Shout out to Peter Pan, Skyline Imperial. We out here trying to function. Holla if you with it though. Probably think I'm rolling, I'm just high on the spirit, bro. The only thing we poppin' is the truth. You don't hear me though. They probably think I'm rolling, I ain't on nothing. They probably think I'm rolling, I ain't on nothing. They probably think I'm rolling, I ain't on nothing. But what I got you need to know about is on me. I'm turned.
Daddy Grace got your boy reminiscing. Think about the days I was wildin' out trippin'. Used to be up this dude. Had no thoughts of approaching you, but then ooh, now you all on my brain. Now I had to switch lanes. Know all of me and still you don't change. Now I'm laid up, talking way up. I ain't never coming down. Yo, got me prayed up.
About me you like, but ever since you came around, it's changing my life. I don't really know why, but you got me. Why you love me like you do? I don't really know why. I don't really know why.
What's up everybody, this is your girl STL Yamomo and you're in the mix with DJ Live.
We ain't stopping till we see heaven.
Baba, Baba,
First of all, God named so I limit your system, you could get my soul. Anyway, sign it for free. Another good reason ya kuimba hey baba. Nime change sani mbaba. Hey, ndio naketamu sema mbaba. Hey, anini change nilikuwa mchange. Sasa nime change ama man of change. Hello yo mbaba. Hey, mambo ni sawa nasema mbaba. Hey, alinipenda dhambi nilitenda. Akanisamehe za mbinguni mimi naenda. Hey, guitar. Yes. Hey, penda pesa mimi napenda yes. Hey, Mungu wakutaka yes. Hey, kuja kwake ya kufanya yes.
Baba,
Atini mzee
Baba, 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 Baba,
Riba bang bang bang. Nikelele taka tak tak bang. Itakuwa ngori, bila Yesu itakuwa ngori. Itakuwa ngori, mwisho wa story. Itakuwa ngori, bila Yesu itakuwa ngori. Itakuwa ngori.
Now come through, I'm an antique of this same rock.
again. Mr. T. Maisha finje finje Mr. T nakataa. Maisha finje finje na kanisa mekataa. Maisha finje finje everybody amekataa. Dunia kwenye giza ni panapata kataa. Maisha finje finje Mr. T nakataa. Maisha finje finje na kanisa mekataa. Maisha finje finje everybody amekataa. Dunia kwenye giza ni panapata kataa.
This is how we do it on the 254. Mr. T and my homeboy Samokat. New school dance and hip hop. Jana jua somelanzo na ngata. Wanaitwa mafana the pastors kwa alta. Degrees evidence of smarta. Wengi ndani ya maji wamelowa culture. Chakua moja kuishi ama kufa bro. Chakua moja kubali ukatae. Unacheka nao kesho dalia solo. Request mojoni machozi. Kabari ni kali ya misumari kalibari ni kabari ya yes no shindi. Kabari kali ya misumari kalibari ni kabari ya yes no shindi.
Alafu tuweka kadaro.
Chakua moja, even I'm a boy. Chakua moja, I am a dog. Chakua moja, all I'm a devil. Chakua moja, chakua moja, chakua moja. You better take on your phone and call to the Father. You better come on your phone and call to the Father.
Nasikia kwenye kichwa mgongo teremka kwa miguu. And I don't know what to do. Kwenye kichwa mgongo teremka kwa miguu. And I don't know what to do. Fulu day.
Ni mbaya.
Fire si fire.
Ni fire bro.
Ni fire si fire.
Ni fire.
Ni moto si moto.
Ni moto tena sana manze.
Na DJ Laz ni mnare si mnare.
In the one and twos.
Ni mnare.
The magic finger.
Ni mnare si mnare.
Ni mnare tena zaidi.
Amazing.
Unaleta.
This is KOU.
Kevo youth for the dance and yarn. Me representing for the most I got. Few man on me want the meditation. Yo, freaky parties. The man that hear this one I the realest thing. Yes, I the realest thing. I the realest thing. I feel the most I that you are representing. I'm saying I the realest thing. I the realest thing. I the realest thing. Yo, good man. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Move to the right, move to the left. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Move to the right, move to the left. The new one dance, introduction to the one-way dance. Introduction to a new one dance. Yo, good man. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Move to the right, move to the left. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Move to the right, move to the left. ABC, ABC. Tempted kupati sana. Tempted na wasichana. Temptation nimeshinda. Tempted. Sawa.